with another
Honest try review.
Yes. Opening this Amazon box.
Well, is it a review? I guess not a review because we haven't used the product.
Yeah,
just to show y'all what we got.
Yeah,
So my bad.
We went shopping. Let's see what we got.
Right. It's Christmas, y'all.
It does feel like it. It is nice as an adult when you can order something for yourself.
Right.
All right.
Ooh,
birthday's coming up. So we got the starter herbs grow kit.
Nice.
Isn't this she's cute.
Nice.
She cute. We
got 2 of them.
They didn't get stuff that up really nice. Oh, there's more stuff in it.
Babe.
Girl.
Babe.
Listen.
No.
Why you give me the tall bags? I can't see.
Doesn't matter. Always take the paper out and make sure ain't nothing in it.
You're right. I'm human. Excuse me. Oh, okay. What is this? My compost starter kit. Stop it. Your girl's having a birthday party. And we're going to have so much fun with our guest. It is definitely a lowercase o group. And we're going to learn things about plants. Nice. Oh, honey, getting aggressive over here. Okay. Which one? We got to do this one. I'm most excited.
Go ahead.
Let me go ahead and open this up.
Can I open this?
It says, absolutely. It says, ready to grow your own garden. Yes. Please, I'm on this journey and I want to get my life together on it.
Right.
Super cute box.
You know,
It says, scan this code to become a VIP. Honey, don't I know it.
So yeah, starter herbs grow.
Social media information.
Amazon.
Love at first seed. Oh my gosh, that's so catchy. Very cute. And let's open it. This box is fantastic. It is super cute. Your herb gardening journey begins here. Stop, didn't I just say I wanted to get to it? And now it's happening. I love it. Each item in this box is so easy to use that you'll be harvesting your homegrown herbs in no time. We have 8 herb varieties, 8 plant marketers, 8 pot plus saucers, soil pellets, expands 5 times in water, kelp nutrition pack, growing guide. She cute. What we got, baby? What we got?
I believe these are the seeds.
Yes, the 8 herb varieties. Let's see what we have in here. We have oregano. Okay. Oh, and then it has digital grow guide. Shut up. Go ahead and scan that QR code. See where it takes you.
A kelp nutrition pack. What you think that is?
Just nutrition for the soil. I got basil. Parsley. Thyme. Oh my gosh. Look at me. I'm gonna have a full herb garden. I'm doing it. Rosemary. This is day 1 of me opening the box, and then we're gonna go through the whole journey of them growing. I'm excited. Mint. Yes. Cute. And then, how do you say that, baby?
Cilantro.
Cilantro. I like the way you say it, baby. You were saying it a bit differently before.
Whatever.
And then, what is this?
No idea.
Chervil?
No idea.
Can someone please comment below and let us know what this is? Thanks, much appreciated.
Right.
And then the kelp. You showed this stuff already, right?
No. trying to look at both of us at the same time.
You're sweet. Such a gentle woman.
Just taking it out.
Love you. All right, look at that. 20% off. What? Don't sleep on them. She cute. All right, that was great. And then it says what? How did baby read it?
It says thank you and happy gardening.
So cute. It's like, that's nice paper. Like, this is good. Y'all in marketing doing it, okay? That is nice. What else we got, baby? I'm sorry. I'm just like, another coupon. Just in case you didn't see the other one. Just reminding you again. I know that's right. Sometimes you gotta tell them once, you gotta tell them twice. What says that? Tell us.
It's a guide. I wonder how it has the guide.
Yeah, that's really cute. It's
Girl guide, yeah.
What's in my kit? Like, it's such an easy read.
Yeah. Small stuff.
This is such an easy read.
What's in it there?
We are talking just like step by step of what to do.
One each.
And yeah, look at the cilantro. And then it says like a breakdown of like timeline. Wow.
Instruction.
You know, like you can Google and then like go down a rabbit hole. This is just kind of like a cheat sheet of everything.
Oh, those are cute.
What? Oh my goodness. These are so stinking cute. How many cups?
8.
8 cups. Planting.
Cups. 8 pots.
Pots.
8
That was
pots.
so tight. Cool. We got them in white and orange. And then it has this little saucers. That's wonderful. Seriously, everybody needs saucers. Go ahead and grab that extra water, baby. Got them in orange. Mom, I don't know what this is.
That's the soil.
Oh, the pellets. Cute. Let me go ahead and break up in here. See what this looks like. It said it expands 5 times its size in water. Oh, yes, it is. That it is. Very cool. Drop all this to the side.
Bang.
And then here's their labels. These are really, really nice. Here, let me give you a few. Oh, that's so brilliant. They have all of them. That's so cute.
And also a place on it where you can put the date, so you'll know like when you planted it.
Right, isn't that cute?
So it just got all of these names. It's pretty cool. So yeah, they're nice.
They did great. And then the rest of the saucers are in here. That's awesome. Look, nothing else. Oh. Just thank you. Cute box. Such a cute box. Very impressed. Okay, that's it. That was our herbs grow kit from Amazon. Did you get this? No, not during the time.
I did get it.
Any idea how much it was?
I don't remember how much it was originally, but I think it was only on sale for a little bit, but I paid like $36.
Okay. $36.
A piece. $36 a piece.
$36 a piece. So you see, we're expecting growth here. Thanks, love. Appreciate you. All right, and then what else we got, babe?
And like my wife said, she wants to, she's having a birthday party, and another one of the activities they're doing is learning how to compost. So yeah, this is one of the things that's gonna help, like start it. And we got it from Amazon. So I've never done this before, so I'm kind of just going with the flow. I just Googled it, or not Googled it, I just put it in Amazon and was like compost starter, and this is one of the things that came up. The reviews were really good, so I was like, just gonna try it out and see what happens.
I love that.
Yeah. And it comes with, I guess I'm gonna open it because it comes with.
Oh my goodness, the package itself says it's compostable. That's so cute.
So it has 4 little packets in here. So I thought that was nice.
That is super cute. Yeah. So that goes with that. Well, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and we will see y'all next time. Why did I do that?
I don't know.
This is the same thing with your lip.
We do that word. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in, and always we appreciate you guys. You know, leaving honest comments and letting us know. You know, y'all can do that too. Let us know how we doing. My first time doing this.
Yeah.
You know, my wife's first time doing this. So yeah, leave us some positive enforcement, or is that what you say? Positive enforcement? No, positive comments.
Comments, feedback.
Positive feedback. Yeah, anything that would be helpful.
Yeah, we just want to get engaged with y'all too.
Yeah.
Let us know what y'all's thoughts are, and we appreciate y'all checking us out. And what is it? Like, subscribe, and leave it up. Let's try that again.
Like, subscribe, and follow.
Yes.
Like, subscribe, and follow.